Okay, next Xbox Live game I'm going to look at is Armed. So it's pretty much an armed and dangerous kind of game. If you're familiar with StarCraft for PC, this is the mobile version, well, of another name pretty much. So let's start a new game. I'll show you what it's all about. So what Armed is, you have your base. Initially, this is what you start off with. You can build different bases, factories, defense systems. They start you off with 1,000 points. You want to get a reactor plant where that gives you more resources to produce more stuff. So basically what you're going to start with is build a factory. This is your factory. It's going to cost you 500 points. So you build one of those. You could probably build more than one if you wanted to. You can build another one. And you're left with 0. Then you just click the play button right here, and it builds your factory for you. So next up is, once you build your factories, you can build a defense system. So there you have defenses you can build. You can get a drone, and by that you build one of those. Say play, and it builds it for you right there. So you can actually look around by pinching and zoom to zoom in, zoom out. You can rotate. So that is the enemy right there across the river. You can actually zoom in. That is your enemy's base. It's pretty much like StarCraft. So you can rotate. You can zoom in, zoom out. So let's go zoom back in. So first of all, to get more, as you can see, your points don't go up. To get more points, to build more soldiers, more units, you can pretty much just select this, have him, that is a reactor. You can make it yours by having one of your drones. Just go to it, you say play, and there it activates the plant. So that pretty much just gives you, as you can see, your points keep increasing. It generates resources for you. So while your drone can protect it, you can build more defense systems around it. You can choose a turret, a laser turret. This is a guardian. It can guard your reactor plant for you. So if I choose to buy it, put it right there. It's not built yet. If you want it to get built, you can just click the play button and say get built. So you have your laser guard. It protects your reactor plant. Pretty much does that automatically. What else? So you can move your drone wherever you want it to go. You can. This is another reactor plant, so you can take this plant, just have it say play, and as you can see, your drone is moving there. So as you can see, your points keep going up. So you can choose to build another laser turret, put it right there. Then you can move this. Then your drone, you can use it to go create another reactor plant for you. So once it gets there, it's a long game. It's pretty much based on strategy. So as you can see, another plan is here. So that initializes your reactor plan, and you have more. So it just generates your resources for you, and the main aim is to protect your reactor plans, because that's where your resources are coming from. Once you scout around the map, there's a bunch of them. There's another one right here, another one right here. So your enemy is also, well, this is on easy, so he's not really doing anything yet, but that's the whole idea of the game. You just capture as much reactor plant is on the map, then you can build an army. Let me see if I can quickly build an army here. So let's say I choose one of the factories. I can build an army here. Choose this one. Build an army. And put another laser here. I don't have enough resources. So once you're done making all your moves, you can just watch them get manufactured. Another fun fact is you can control 2 of your units by holding down a group button, then choose your units, and you have 2 of them. So you can actually move them around. As you can see, I can move them anywhere on the map. So I'm just gonna move them to go attack the enemy, so just to see a bit of action, because it's quite boring game. But so you see your laser turret actually works. So these units, I'm trying to move them here, so you can choose the path as that they go. First stop here, choose another stop here, choose another stop here, and just say play. You can actually fast forward. To make your move go faster. So yeah, it's so there's a battle going on. So once the enemy creates drones, those laser turrets actually protect you. As you can see, my points are already up over 1200. So you can actually build more just to protect your reactors, because they will always try to look to capture those. So if you choose group 1, you can automatically select your units, have them move. I mean, it's a strategy game, so it's long, but I mean, that is pretty much what it is. That's the picture. It's a nice game. You can get it from the marketplace. I'll probably finish this some other time. So I'm gonna exit. You can always continue, come back, finish it up. And that is Armed.